In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change settings in REDLINER Roblox. Also, before we get started, I just launched my ultimate Roblox game dev template, so if you're trying to make your own Roblox game, check out the Gumroad and Etsy links in the description. Not only does it help with the channel, but it's going to help you make the best Roblox game possible. Now, once you're loaded in, you need to go ahead and select settings down in the very bottom. It's going to open up a page that looks something like this, and this is going to have all of your settings here. You can click on one of these to actually expand it. For example, in the gameplay tab, you can change stuff like wall run, request mode, stuff like that, right? And music. FOV, I think, is like the most important setting in here. I'd recommend changing this up to 100. There's also keybinds in here as well, so you can always go ahead and customize your controls if you need to change those. And then, of course, quality is going to be the graphics quality. If your game's lagging, just go ahead and reduce this a little bit, and it'll help your game run a little bit better. But that is the entire process. Once you're done, close the menu by hitting the settings here again, and you're good to go. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel, and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.